Hello everyone, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we are going to see how to install Abantecart on OpenSUSE Leap for 2.3. Abantecart is a free and open source e-commerce platform for merchants to provide availability in creating online businesses in order to sell their products online. Before starting with your installation, the basic requirements is to have LAMP stack, that is Apache Web Server, MariaDB and PHP. While installing MariaDB, create a database for your Abantecart user protected by password and version of PHP should be 7. Now switch to your terminal. Now first download the source code using wget command. After downloading it, extract it in Apache document root. Now move inside your Apache document root location. You'll be able to see your Abantecart directory. Now rename this as per your convenience. Next, provide appropriate owner permission and file execution permission for your Apache document root, followed by the subdirectory. After providing with your permission, configure your virtual host for your Abantecart. Now enter your configuration inside this. After providing with your configuration inside your configuration file, save the changes and check for the syntax. If everything goes well, restart your Apache service. Now switch to your browser and enter your machine's IP address or your fully qualified domain name. Followed by the directory and public HTML. To open your installation wizard, first provide your license agreement and then click continue. This is your compatibility validation. If all the configuration goes well, click continue. Then provide with your configuration. First with your database configuration, provide the name of your database user, followed by its password and name of your database. If you want to create any unique key for your admin section, create your key and create your admin credentials here. Finally, your admin email ID. Click continue. The database configuration and other things getting loaded. And thus your installation got completed. In order to enhance the security of your website, you can also delete the installation folder from your terminal. And this is your project home page. If you want to view the documentation or the other details customization related to your site, you can click this link, followed by the marketplace and support forums. And thus we have seen how to install Abantecart on OpenSUSE Leap for 2.3. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel Linux Help. For further tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com. Any queries, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.